Fit like, I hope you're all keeping well and welcome aboard again. Now, we're back at the beach. I love fishing on the beach, and this is Scotstoun Beach that we're on today. But it seems to be a bit of an awkward kind of beach to fish on because the water's racing in off a quick and there's channels going all around the back of us. It seems to be filling up off a quick, So we're not going to get long on here. I've got a good friend here fishing with me today, and he's got his own channel, Another Angle UK. So nip over to his channel and give him a like and a subscribe, and that'll give him a wee boosty. He does a lot of different type of fishing, freshwater fishing, sea fishing. If you like fishing videos, nip over and have a looky. Tell him that Gordon sent you along. I see him hauling up here, I know. Then I can't be going anywhere now. Yeah, it's a fish for Phil. Oh, it's a bite there, look. It looked like a good bite on this road here. I think there's something on here. I'm going to halt up and have a looky. Actually a good breeze of wind now. Yeah, it feels like there's something on. I definitely got a fish on here. It's not off a big lake, but it's a flat fish of some kind. Hey, hey, you beauty. Great stuff. Oh well, Phil, our theory was right. Fish swimming in that channel. Oh well, we did the right thing. As you can see, our shift was a good move. And our theory was right. See now this fish swimming in this channel. Now, you behave yourself now. Try to take 2 hooks here just now. Well, that was fine, it was just on a lip. Well, he's going to need the disgorger. I seen this littler fish has swallowed the hook, so I've had to get my disgorger out. Right, that's a hook turned. And comes out no bother. Great stuff. The 2 bonny flounders. So it was 1 dab and 2 flounders so far. Get him a kiss and get him back as quick as we can. You can piggyback on the top of it. A fair breeze of wind getting up now. Right, come on, boss. Come on, look. There you go. There you go. Great stuff. Yes. Beauty. Now check us out. We're getting surrounded again, look. As you can see. So, going to make a shift again. Get up onto this bunk. Or I think it's going to get soaked and we're going to get marooned. So, we'll want to make a shift. I've actually just got one rod out just now, because as you can see this tide is just racing in and it's flowing round the back of St. Arch. I think we'll just get about half an hour here and the water's going to be round the back of us. And if I had a few rods set up, it would be really awkward to get everything carried back as quick as we can. Aye. Aye. As you can see, the water's coming in and just flowing down the back of us. So we're not going to get long here at I'll say another half hour and we'll hit the shaft. Which is a shame. So that's a reason I hadn't set up the rest of my roads. I've actually got 2 beach casters swimming a day, and I've got a spinning rod, and I've got this 11.5 feet rod, which I was fishing for bass the last day. As you can see, it's a carbon bass flatty rod. It's fine and light. When you get up to a 4-ounce weight, you can put on it. So it's fine for beach fishing, as well as fishing for the bass. So, or trout or anything like that. If we get a more settled kind of spot, once the tide comes in a bit, I'll get all the rest of the roads set up and get more hooks in the water. I like plenty hooks in the water. Make sure they get something. We'll haul this in and see if there's anything on it. Try and break out a gritter lead. I've got a gritter lead on it. Feel it bouncing being. If it don't get a D, I can't feel a fish. So if it don't get a D, just take it easy. Stop now and again, see if the flux will chase the hooks. It's a fine light fishing road is. I've got a cameraman here filming me today. Gripper lead isn't popped out, it's just been bouncing being. Makes you feel you've got a fish on and it's bouncing being like that. There we go, there's one fish on, something on. Hey, a wee dab. Put it close to the camera and make it look bigger. There we are. It's still a fish. Pleased to see it. And it's just lap hooked. So that's good. Perfect. Look at that now. Bonny wee dab. I'm fair chuffed with that. We'll give him a cast and get him back quick. Right. Come on, Paul. Come on, Paul. There he goes, look at that. Great stuff. Well, he's actually dug his shell in. Look at his, look at his eye. That's his eye sticking out of the. Come on, Paul. Oi. See the way they bury themselves into the. Right. Come on, look. Ease away. Great to see them digging themselves into the sun and hiding. Now watch the tide rushed up to the road again and it's coming round the back of us, as you can see. So we're going to want a shift just now. It's even coming round the back of us at the other side. So we're going to make a shift and get up over the back here and cast into that channel there for the water's coming in. And hopefully the fish is swimming into that channel. You don't can until you've hooks in the water. As you can see, that's for who's fishing. Used to were here for fellas, and we're shifting more stuff up to this bit. It's a good bit safer to fish, and you're not shifting your rods all the time. As you can see, the water's just come right in this channel here, and it's surrounding us. Even though we love fishing, we don't want to be marooned. It's Phil packing up his gear just now. Oh, he's got a fish. Ah, it looks like he's got a flounder. Hey, well done, Phil. Oh, I see the wind's picking up.
Yeah. Now wasn't really the time to get little flounder.
Aye.
So there he is.
Oh.
Let's get him back.
Right. Oh, give him a kiss. Yay, so we look. Come on, away you go. Great stuff. That you just a bit closed off, look, Phil.
Yeah.
Right, gas gear shifted. Now, it's a set up at the Cedar Bitty. Now, the last bit for we was fishing, the tide has come right in and covered the whole lot, as you can see. So it's a good job we moved out of there. Now this bit here, as you can see for the fellas over there, it's coming in and coming round the back of us again. So, but we have a plan to get up on this high bit here and we should be fine up here. And just keep fishing into that channel here. There's a channel comes in here and there's a sandbank over the back of it. And the theory is we're hoping a fish swims into that channel as the tide comes in.
Is this on?
Like this on, eh? Still stiff.
Well, look at this. Next to the main man.
Great stuff.
That's what we've come for, the turbot. Well done, buddy. That's what I want. I want one of those now.
It's funny, I was winding in and I was just saying to the on camera, we've caught flounder and dab, but we really want to get a turbot. And he pops up. A very light colour, isn't he?
Look at the colour of that.
Little
Beautiful.
bumps in his back.
Pleased with that, mate?
Right.
Yeah.
Double hook up and all, get a flounder and all.
Yeah, we've got a wee flounder up the top there.
Right, we'll get him off.
There's the old flounder as well.
Great stuff. Wheat turbot and flounder. Getting back as quick as we can. After a cast, of course. Hang on in, here we go. Great stuff. Oh, the turbot is actually blended in with the sun. He's actually doing here. You can't see him because of the camouflage. Now watch this when I touch it. It's just waves stuff. Watch this when I touch it. Yeah, it's a wave. Good stuff. That's just amazing camouflage, that fish. Now, there should be a bale day again here somewhere. Alright, there's actually 12. Great stuff. Feast time again. I've actually just shot 2 roads a day. I was planning to shoot 1, 2, 3, 4 roads. Well, 3 stationary roads with bait on. And I was planning to use a spinning rod and all, where I bombard the float and you're on reed gill, sandeel type lure. It's Phil, got a fish here just now. Wee flounder. Well, we won't haul this in here, looky. See, there's a lot of weed getting washed ashore now. I don't like the look of that. I think there's something on. There's a fish on. Is it a turbot or is it a flounder? Yay! Another turbot! Hey! Yay! Another turbot and a flounder. Right, we'll get them off as quick as we can. Oh, there's 2 flounder. I didn't realise that he was on. Yes! Bonny wee flounder and another wee turbot, and I think it's a wee bit bigger than the last one, even though it's little wee. That a beauty. And a bonus fish. I didn't even care that he was on. Didn't see it. So we'll get him back as quick as we can. Oh, it looked at that water. Yay! Yeah, beauty! Right, we'll go and haul up this next one. Yeah. It feels like a bit of fluttering about. So is it a fish? I don't know. It could be the spikes off with the gripper lead. Oh, it is fish. Hey, there's a heap of fish actually. Hey, look at this! Turbot, turbot! 12 turbot and 1, 2, 3 flounders. Yeah, beauty! Look at that! Oh well, that's just made my day. Look at that! Oh, that's just to be the thumbnail, I do it. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll get him back. Oh, moving it. And away. Yeah, beauty. It's good to see them swimming back. Now, you're maybe saying, oh, it's just small turbot and small flounders. But it's look at the smile it puts on my face. Yeah, doesn't matter the size of fish. If you get a fish, it's just good to get them in your hand. And then let them go again. Watch them swimming away. Right, we'll get out the road, bait it up again, and cast it. Oh, look at the seaweed. Oh, rolling in at the shore. But luckily enough, it hasn't bothered this so far. I've actually got 6 hooks in that in. So we'll just let it develop. If one fluke goes on, it usually attracts another couple. There's no rush. I see the gannets diving out there. Must be getting mackerel or something. Yeah, I got a clump of seaweed here. Yeah, there is a fish on. Yay! Dwarf flounder. Shift this back a bit. Now another dwarf flounder. Getting back. Ooh. There you go. Great stuff. Right. Now it's it popped into my handmade road rest. My handmade road holder. And we'll see if there's anything on it. See fells hauling out at the same time. Another 3. Great stuff. 3 flounders. Get them off quick. We'll get them back as quick as we can. Yay! And away. Great stuff. Right, while that's fishing, while that tour road is fishing, I'm going to try out this spinning rod with the bombarder float and a wee reed gill sand eel lure. And just here play about with it. You're never sure. You might get something. Maybe it's on, maybe it's no. But you're good to get a go.
Yeah.
Spell hauling in. Yeah. So I do. That's not going to be muckle success today. Seaweed fish. Well, I'll one haul this in then. See if there's anything on it. Or see if there's a clump of seaweed on it. Here we've done well today. A few fish caught today. Oh man. Rigger Beach full of water again. Now I think I'm into seaweed. I can feel a weight. There's a fish in there. Oh. Chunks of seaweed. Wat bonnie wee flounder, though.
Nice one.
Right. There's plenty meat on him. Pretty stout. Beautiful clean fish. And he swallowed the hook, so that's a disgorger job. Just pull the hook back that way. Put the disgorger back through and onto the shank to the hook. Wee wiggle and out she comes. Nee, bother at you. And we'll get the bony wee beastie back. Great stuff. Right, well, there you go. We just seem to be picking up a weed now. Must be about high water, eh, Phil? And there's clumps of weed gathering. And it's smothering the hooks, spoiling the fishing now. But here, we've done well today. I'm really fair chuffed. I think I maybe had 4 turbot. Was it 4 turbot, I think? Or maybe I'm exaggerating, I don't care. I would hate to look back in the video. Look, here's a weed coming in. Clumps of weed. Right. You're just spoiling the fishing. Yeah, but we've done well today, Ken. Doing really well. Right, that's it for now. Thanks very much, Abdi, for coming along with us today on our wee fishing adventure. And so thanks for watching. Watch out for more videos and mind push that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and that'll give you a wee boosty. Take care, Abdi, and I'll catch you after.